Is your Instagram is boring? Is your eyes paining when you see Instagram at night? Then keep watching this video. Hey guys, my name is Surya. In this video, I am going to show you how to get dark mode in Instagram. Before we get started, you already click on that red subscribe button and see how it magically turns red to grey. So the setup is pretty easy here. So first of all, download the Instagram APK from the link down below in description. Now try to install it. You may get unknown sources warning. So just go to settings, then security, and turn on unknown sources. Now just go back and install the APK file again. It will be installed. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you find this video useful. You did find this video useful, then click the like button and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in next one.